welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. Today's video is actually a really fun one and I'm really excited about it. It's a little bit more vlog style than I have done in quite a while, so I'm trying to multitask right now. I have my mic plugged in so it's not super echoey. It might be though because the room I'm in is kind of echoey, so please bear with me. I hope the quality is not too bad. I tried to set up my tripod and my mic and everything, so hopefully it's okay. But anyway, today's video I actually do have some announcements and some news, and I am really excited to share this really fun content with you. So as you can see here, I do have, well, maybe you can't tell on camera, but I do have a kaboodles train case, and this is actually a brand new one. I have had one of these before, but this one I really needed to get because my old one actually had a ton of, I believe it was some kind of shimmery metallic nail powder that I had a really long time ago, and I think it spilled like up in this part, so it was a big mess and all sparkly, so I decided to just get a new one. So this one is really cute. I'll try to show you what it looks like in just a second, but I wanted to give you an update first. So today's video, you might already know this from the title, but I'll tell you anyway. Today's video is actually a pack with me video. So I do have some news. I am in fact moving and I am really excited about it, but of course it is a busy, stressful, hectic process like most moving is. So I am doing my best to get my content in order for the next month or two because it is going to be a bit crazy over the summer, but I'm going to do my best to have my content ready for you guys. And right now, obviously, my schedule is every Tuesday and Friday on YouTube, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to do 2 videos every week. I'm going to do my best. It may end up just being 1, and if I skip a week here and there, I just want to let you know that that's why I am in the process of moving, doing a lot of packing and rearranging and all that kind of thing. So I'm going to do my best with my content, but I was able to batch a lot of blog content, so I actually did mention this over on Instagram recently. I'm not sure if I said it here yet, but I am starting to post 2 times a week on my blog, so you'll get a new blog post every Sunday and every Wednesday. I'm really excited about it. I've had so much fun putting together posts for this month and last month. It's been a really great thing to get back into, so I hope you'll stick around for that. While there may not be too many videos, as of right now, what I'm planning, I think I'll be able to do 2 every week for June. I may end up changing my schedule a little bit in July. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated, but for now, I think I'll be able to do 2 videos every week, and I do have quite a few decluttering videos and top 6 videos. I do have a lot of fun content planned, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So if you want to stay updated on the news and new blog posts and things like that, then please go in my description box. You can join our Very Important Polished Person email club, where you can get a newsletter, and it's pretty much kind of an all-encompassing email list, but you can also join the Very Important Polished Person blog band, which is just blog content, so you'll get notified every time a new blog post comes out. So whatever you feel like doing, whatever you would prefer, all of that is in the description down below. So I did want to update you just a little bit, so thank you for listening. And anyway, I'm actually super excited about today's video. Like I said, I actually really love packing up polishes that I'm going to be using kind of when I'm on the go. So I am going to be bubble wrapping a ton of my polishes and putting them in boxes to be moved, but some of the polishes I'm going to have with me kind of just at hand in case I need them or if I need to film anything. So that's what this kaboodles train case is all about. I'm going to be putting some of my go-to nail art colors in here, just different ones that I use a lot or that I know will be ones that I'm going to reach for when I need to film or shoot content with pictures or anything like that, just kind of while I'm in transit. So I'm going to be doing that today, so I wanted to bring you guys along on the process. And I don't know how many polishes I'll be able to fit in here. Actually, fun fact, I think I've said this before on various platforms, but all of my nail polish used to fit in one of these. When I first started doing nail art and doing swatches and all things like that, all of my nail polish fit in one of these train cases. That was why I had the original one. I decided to get a new one just so I could start fresh and put some new polishes in here. So I think that's all for this intro. I know it's kind of long, but thank you so much for listening. And again, if you are new here, then welcome. My videos are usually not like this. They're a little bit more put together, but today is just kind of what it's going to be. I do want to do kind of more vlog style things like this in the future, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, if you are new here, then I hope you'll subscribe. And I usually say for 2 new videos every week. That may be the case this month. We'll see, but at least subscribe for the journey, because there's going to be a lot of fun content coming soon. And actually, something I am very excited about is once I'm done moving, I do want to share kind of my new studio setup with you guys. So whether it's going to be a nail desk or a full-on studio, we'll see what happens. But I am really excited to vlog that process of putting my new nail desk together and things like that. So definitely stay tuned for new content like that. And I think that is all for this kind of talky portion of the video, but I do want to show you guys some of the polishes I'm going to be taking with me, and of course I'll give you a little bit of a tour of this kaboodles case. So without any further ado, let's get right on into the rest of the video. So my setup is a little bit cramped at the moment, but I did want to show you a little bit more of the kaboodles case. So we have 2 sections like this where you could put nail art tools or stamping plates or something like that. The main compartment is pretty deep, and you can stand up bottles of polish in here. I've done that before. This is exactly the same size as the one that I used to have. So then over here you do have 2 more of those same compartments. I know my setup is very tight right now, but I'm trying to show you what it looks like. And of course you would have already seen the clip of the really cool kind of hollow effect that the outside has. So I thought it was very cute. I just got this one from Amazon. It was $23.99. I actually did a Reels about this over on Instagram, so I will link this one down below if you have been looking for something similar. But it is really nice, and I'm excited to have a nice, fresh, brand new, not totally sparkly, messy one. So this one is really cute, and I'm really happy about it. So as you can see, I do have my polishes that I use every day out in a display shelf, and I am going to be taking a couple of these with me. Sorry, my light cable is in the way. I'm going to try to move that. So this is just kind of the polishes I usually keep on my desk. Over here is some more like collection ones, and then these are the ones I use for nail art. They're just in rainbow order of ones that I've used. And of course, this has actually been a whole overhaul since my recent decluttering, my journey to less toxic nail polish. And actually, while I'm thinking about it, I do have my destash page set up now. So I do have some polishes that were more lightly used, or ones that I didn't even use at all, that I was going to get rid of, and a couple of you had expressed interest in a destash page, so I decided to make one. It's over on Instagram at 360dstash, and this video is going up a couple days after I'm recording it. But if there are any polishes left, I'm sure there will be. I do have quite a few that I'm going to be selling. You can go check that out over there. All of the shipping details and everything like that are in my bio, so I will link that in the description box if you're interested. But anyway, so these are the polishes that I'm going to be picking from. I'm probably going to take probably 1 or 2 of each color category, just so I have options. I'll see what I can fit. From what I can remember, I think I could fit about like 20 polishes in the kaboodles case that I used to have, so let's see what I can do. I'll try to do a montage, or I'll just come back and show you what I'm going to pick. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I've picked out all the polishes I'm going to be taking with me. I may be able to fit a few more, or I might have to take a few out. We'll see. I'm going to see if these will actually fit. Sorry, I know my camera's a little bit shaky. I'm trying to just hold it so I can show you. But I did pick out a couple different colors, or a couple different polishes from each color of the rainbow, just so I have a nice selection for if I need to do nail art or anything like that. So I have a red polish here, I have 2 oranges, I have a couple yellows, a couple greens, couple blue, some purple, lots of pink. I do have some more neutral colors and some glitter, and of course white, because that's a nail art essential. Actually, fun fact, I say this a lot, but I literally don't have a black polish at the moment, and I haven't in years, and I really need to get one. I just got so used to using black acrylic paint for details like that in nail art, so I will have to get one at some point. But for now, this is the polishes I'm going to try to bring with me in the kaboodles train case. I'm also going to put in my Olive and June top coat and my Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure top coat. I actually don't have a good base coat at the moment, so if you have any less toxic base coat recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. So I'm going to set this up again with my train case and try to show you guys how it gets packed. Okay, so sorry if the camera is a little bit shaky, but I was able to fit all of those inside of this caboodle, so I'm actually going to count these really fast and then I'll tell you how many are in here. Okay, so there are 25 polishes in here and there's still a little bit of room, so I might put a couple more in here, just random like glitters or special polishes that I want to have with me. I'll just see what I can fit, and then I'm going to choose a couple brushes and nail art tools and things that I want to put up in the top section, so I'll come back when I've done that. Okay, so I was able to comfortably fit 8 more polishes in here. So I'm pretty sure if I didn't miscount, I think I was able to fit 33 polishes in here, which is pretty good. I think that is plenty for me to be able to do nail art or anything while the rest of my polishes are packed for a bit. So hopefully this will be enough. I'm pretty sure it will be. I might just be able to do some nail art for blog posts or things like that, or if I have any mani swaps throughout the next couple months. But yeah, so I just wanted to have some polishes to have access to while the others are all wrapped up in lots of bubble wrap. So these are the ones that I will be keeping in this caboodles for now, and I'm going to be choosing some nail art tools now, so I will come back and show you once I've chosen them. Okay, so I have chosen a couple tools to take with me. Unlike the last time I packed a caboodles train case of polishes, I realized that I don't really have many nail art tools or like stamping plates or stickers that I use so much anymore. I do have a couple just for random nail art looks, but it's not something I would really gravitate toward every day. So here are the brushes and a couple fun things that I'm taking with me. So this was out of the frame. So here is my Burt's Bees lemon butter cuticle cream. I actually just got a new one of these because I did have one from a while ago and then I hadn't used it in a while, so I did want to get another one, so here's that. Of course I have a nail clipper. This is just a little one from Olive and June, and then my brushes and tools, which these are a little crusty, sorry. This is my cuticle pusher that I've had for quite a while, but I really like it. I think it's from Sally Beauty, I'm pretty sure. And then I just have our little random assortment of brushes. These two are more detailed brushes. I think both of these were from Michael's, pretty sure. This one is a striper brush that I found a while ago, and I was really happy that I found it because I didn't know where it was. So this one's nice for just various nail art. Look, sorry, the brush was out of the frame. And then I have a dotting tool that I use quite a bit, and I do have a couple different sizes of these, but this one is just the one that I usually go for. And of course I have a cleanup brush. This one is from Olive and June, but I have had this one for quite a while, so I may end up getting a new one before I finish packing this, but this is the one I have for now. I think I'll bring a couple of these with me. These are the Sally Hansen Big Polish Guards Cuticle Protectors. These are really good for water marbling or stamping, which I don't think I'll be doing a ton of, but just in case I do end up doing any fun nail art look, I'm just going to take these with me just in case I need them. So these are going to go in one of those little shelves, and then I decided to bring these along. These are some Olive and June nail art stickers. These were gifted to me. They're really, really cute, and maybe I'll use them for some summer nail art in the next month or two. We'll see what happens. So these, I'm going to see if they fit in the top one. If not, I'll probably just put them on top of the polishes. Oh, also a fun little thing I wanted to show you guys since I came across it while I was doing this little hunt for nail polish tools. I came across my first ever dotting tool. My first ever, very crusty, very polish covered dotting tool. This one, I think it's from the brand Essence. I remember buying this in I think it was an Ulta so many years ago, and I just came across this in my nail art tools, so I thought that was funny. Oh, also I'm going to be bringing a big nail file. This one is kind of like one of those four-sided buffer block kind of things. So one side is to file, one side says remove ridges, smooth nail, shine nail. So I usually, well, sometimes I use all four sides, but usually the blue one and the pink one mostly, and I'll use the green one to kind of smooth out the edges. So I will be bringing this too. This is kind of crusty too. I need to get a new one, but this one, it might fit inside the caboodles case. We'll see. But yeah, so these are pretty much the tools I'm going to be bringing with me. I'm going to see if I can fit these into the case, and then I will show you guys how it looks. So here's a final look at the tools I'm going to be taking with me in this caboodles case. So I was able to put the ones that I pretty much will be using a lot on the top, just so I don't have to unfold this to get to it, just so it's pretty much easy access. So all of these fit here. And also, I forgot to say, unfortunately, the striper brush that I have didn't fit. It is very, very long, and it was getting bent when I put it in, so it's okay. I can deal without a striper brush for a while, so these are fine. I will just put this one in with my other nail art tools that I won't be worrying about for a while, so these are going to be right here. and just where I can easily access them for nail care and nail art purposes. And of course we have the main compartment of polishes there. The Olive and June stickers don't totally fit inside one of the little foldable areas very well, but I'll either just leave them in this one, or I'll probably just like put them up here when they're going to be, when the case is going to be closed. So I also was able to fit another one of my longer nail art brushes there, so those are just going to be there for now. And then I was able to put the big polish guard and the buffer block there. So yeah, these I'll probably just put like on top like that when the case is actually closed. Case closed. Sorry. So this is a final look at what my Kaboodles train case is looking like right now. I'm not sure what I'm going to put here. Maybe I'll fit in a couple extra nail art supplies if I actually need them. I'm trying to keep it very minimal with this setup for now, but so I was able to comfortably fit everything I need all right here, so that was really nice. So if you are a nail artist or you're somebody who has a lot of beauty supplies and needs to be on the go, just know you can fit quite a few things in here. It is a little bit heavy just with all these polishes in it, so of course you could put less if you wanted to, but it is manageable for me personally. So I'm really happy about this, and I'm really glad that I bought this one. This one will be really nice to have while my other polishes are packed up, and I'm really excited to be able to work out of this for a little bit. I think that's all for today. I'm trying to think of if there was anything else I wanted to do. I think that's pretty much it. I really had a great time vlogging this little pack with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I really love watching videos like this. I remember, this actually just occurred to me, I think I remember Sandy from Cute Polish doing a video like this a couple years ago. I think she was packing a train case or just a nail art kit for traveling or something like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up and comment down below let's see, what should our question of the day be? Comment below your favorite nail polish color. I've been really enjoying asking you guys kind of like daily questions on my Instagram captions. So yeah, question of the day, what is your favorite nail polish color? I think I just asked a couple of you this over on my Instagram. So speaking of Instagram, if you want to follow my Instagram page for more nail art and swatches and lifestyle content on stories and updates and things like that, definitely head over to Instagram. My Instagram is @360nails. And like I mentioned before, I do have my 360 stash page open as well, so there should probably still be a bunch of polishes there. If you're interested in purchasing any of them, they're all lightly used, or maybe I swatched them once, or they're in good condition. If you're interested in any of those, just make sure you head over there quickly, because I don't know how quickly they're going to sell out, so just make sure you check. If in fact all the polishes are gone, I doubt it, but if they are, I will put on screen kind of the update of what I have left. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I had a really great time filming it. I was so excited to record this. I was really excited to tell you guys the news because I am so happy to be moving, and I am excited for this kind of stressful part to be over, but I am so excited for this new adventure. So I can't wait to do some new content for you guys. And like I said, I'm really excited to share kind of like my nail desk / studio vlog kind of content with you guys. I'm really excited to develop a new space for my filming and my nail art and things like that. So I can't wait to take you guys along on that journey. And like I said, I will do my best to have 2 videos up every week this month, but if not, this is why. So I just want to let you guys know. I will keep you guys updated, of course, over on my Instagram stories and on my community tab. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Like I said, I will do my best to be consistent this month with uploads, and July, I can't make any promises, but I will let you guys know, obviously, what my schedule will be looking like for that. And of course, like I said, I do have tons of blog content coming your way this month, since I wasn't able to guarantee kind of a really consistent YouTube upload schedule. So if you want to see some more from me, I do have quite a few fun blog posts planned. I'm going to be doing some nail fashion and nail polish lookbooks. I have some nail art, and I think there's a couple reviews in there too. So I'm really excited to share that with you as well. So definitely go subscribe to the Very Important Polished Person email club, or you can subscribe to the blog band, whichever you prefer. And I think that's all for today, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support as always. It really means a lot to me, and I've just been really enjoying being in this community lately, and it's just been really fun making content and connecting with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, like I said, and I will see you again very soon with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!